The RISE is a tool that's been developed to be used by a broad base of mental health professionals, both in the community, in hospitals, and even more importantly, within the schools. The RISE is a tool that's typically used by psychologists, psychiatrists, social workers, and mental health counselors. The RISE measures qualities of behavior that we are now recognizing are critical in understanding how a youth or a young adult may be functioning, but even more important in attempting to identify a pathway to help them if in fact they're experiencing problems. The RISE is different from a symptom or behavior questionnaire that's used to determine what might be wrong with you in regards to social or emotional problems. The RISE is different than a narrow spectrum tool that might be used to identify autism, depression, anxiety, chronic pain, for example. The RISE is different from a tool that just measures protective factors, your sense of mastery or relatedness to others. The RISE is the first norm referenced, meaning our research applies the RISE to the general population. It's the first instrument that provides a norm reference sample of these protective behaviors in individuals in adolescence and young adult. Your sense of emotional connection to others, your emotional regulation, your self-perception of your abilities. All of these are critically important in understanding not just what's wrong with someone, but what's right with someone. We now understand when we complete mental health or school psychology evaluations that the identification of symptoms and problems is only half of the assessment. The other half requires the identification and evaluation of what's right about a person. When youth transition into adult life, no one asks them their worst subject or their most annoying behavior. It's what's right about you that takes you through life, not necessarily, or for that matter, not at all really, what's wrong with you. This is a tool that is designed to be used with youth referred for behavioral or mental health problems, for educational problems, and for those problems related to more serious risky behavior like substance abuse or aggression or sexually acting out.